Hey, I'm William. Today we're going to replace the heating element on an electric GE dryer. The heating element generates heat for the dryer to dry your laundry. If it has failed testing or has been damaged, it's time to replace it. Before we dive into the process, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You'll become part of our growing do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we drop a new video guide that can just save your day. Ready? Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to get our tools together. Today, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Now let's get started. To get to it, we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the top of the front panel, just behind the door. Now we're going to lift the top panel up just a bit so we can clear the console legs and pull it forward. We're going to remove the Phillips screws that are found at each back corner of the front panel. Once we've done that, we can lift the front panel up, rotate it to the side, and disconnect the door switch wires. Then we can set the front panel to the side. With that moved out of the way, we're going to reach under our drum and we're going to disconnect the belt from the belt pulley. Once that is disconnected, we're going to go ahead and lift up on the belt and use it to assist in pulling the drum forward and out. Now we can set that to the side as well. Once we've accessed the element, we'll need to remove the Phillips screws around the element and the mounting screws on the thermostats.
As well as disconnecting the wires to the old element.
Here's the old heating element, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. All you need to do to install the element is move it close enough to mount the thermostats, then attach it to the cabin with the Phillips screws. Easy peasy. Once the new element is secured, we're going to place the wires for the element onto the correct terminals. The blue wire to the outer coil terminal, the white wire to the inner coil terminal, and the purple wire to the common terminal. When that's all set, we're going to install the drum and belt.
This can be a little difficult, so make sure to get the belt firmly on the motor pulley.
Then grab the front panel. We're going to connect the door switch wires and then set the front panel onto the dryer. We need to secure it with the screws we removed earlier. Now we're going to slide the top panel on the console legs, rotate the top panel down, and then secure it with the long Phillips screws we removed from behind the door. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. You made it! Great job and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new heating element yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're here, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support and we'll see you next time.